Hello, everybody. I'm Kent Culbertson with American AVK, and today I've got John Wilber with us. John's the Vice President of Engineering. And anyway, what's interesting about this, John and I have worked at AVK almost exactly the same amount of time. I think I started about 2 months before John. Yeah. And so anyway, how long have you been with AVK, John?
I have been with AVK for 21 years.
So we've worked together for 21 years, and you can tell he's happy about working with me. But anyway,
videos.
In a prior life, you worked for AWWA, and can you tell the customers a little bit about what you did at AWWA when you were there?
Sure. When I first hired at AWWA, the American Waterworks Association, I was a standards engineer, and I was in charge of about 50 standards. And after 2 or 3 years, I was promoted up to the director of standards, and I managed the entire standards program for all of the products and chemicals used in water treatment processes.
Okay. And each year we go to the AWWA ACE conference, and whenever possible, I try to kind of tag along on John's coattails and go to some of your meetings. You sit in on the standards committees, and if you could kind of tell everybody what it is currently that you're involved in there.
I'm involved in all of the standards committees for AVK products, which would be the gate valves, the fire hydrants, and the butterfly valves, and the check valves. I am the subcommittee chair for C504, which is the standard for butterfly valves. I'm the subcommittee chair for metal-seated gate valves, and I also participate in the rubber and elastomers committee.
All right. So obviously very involved, and it's neat to sit in and watch you in those meetings. I try to anytime I can. You've been very involved at AVK since you joined us in the development of generations of products, gate valves, fire hydrants, improvements to fire hydrants, and then basically when we launched the new butterfly valve lines, you pretty much oversaw that whole process. And of all of this, which has been your favorite project to work on?
You know, it would be the butterfly valves. We started the butterfly valve project probably in 2012, and we designed a line of butterfly valves that go from 3 inches in diameter to 48 inches in diameter. And we plan to expand that range up to 144 inches eventually. And we started with nothing, and we got an entire butterfly valve line completed in about 4 or 5 years. And I got to tell you, that was a pretty interesting process.
It has been interesting to watch how he did it. And then what's been great about it is the butterfly valves are magnificent. So you did a great job, and it's been neat to watch.
No problems at all so far.
That's right.
It's really pretty nice.
It is. So last question, what motivates you on a daily basis to help your AVK teammates as far as making AVK grow and be successful?
You know, I really enjoy getting in there and solving all the different problems that you might have from day to day or week to week. It's a pretty interesting job, and it's been a very interesting job for the last 21 years, and I really appreciate the opportunity.
Yep. And we obviously appreciate having him on the team, and I appreciate it, John. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.